Well, remember that anything's possible. Yes, you can be the greatest, you can be the best, you can be the King Kong banging on your chest. You can be the world, you can be the world. You can talk to God, come banging on his door. You can throw your hands up, you can beat the crowd. You can move mountains, you can break rocks. You can be a master, don't wait for luck. Dedicate yourself.